Hello and welcome. Author Yusif Tijani here once again for my Mission, My Vision talk show. What I am about to share with you this morning should encourage you to never stop what you are doing. And the title I give to this personal story is Never Lose Your Winning Spirit. All right? I take it again. Never lose your winning spirit. All right. So I remember when I was barely at the junior high school. All right. I had a dream of traveling to the city. All right, to further my education. Okay. So then I told a brother of mine that right after junior high school, I'll go to the city of Kumasi to finish my school. I was then in a town called Wenchi, all right, in the Brungahafa region, and I wanted to go to another region, meaning the Ashanti region, to further my education. So I told an elder brother of mine that, brother, once I get to the Ashanti region, any school at all that I find to go, I will win a government scholarship. There and then he said, oh, stop saying this. Do you think those there do not learn or what? I said, brother, I need you to stay put and watch me. Later on, lo and behold, I came, I worked hard, and boom, I got the scholarship. Wow, this is a spirit. Never lose your winning spirit. But that is one side of the story. The other side of the story is that, you see, while in the school, at the SHS, I decided I wanted to actually write a book. But before then, I did not get the school to attend as on time, all right, because I was taken to my first school of my choice, and they said all the classrooms were occupied, okay, except general arts as a course, general arts, okay. So I told them, no, I am interested in business, all right. I wanted to do business. So the headmaster said, if it is business, no way. But if you can offer us arts as a course, in fact, and art has opportunities at the end, okay. So I told him, no, sir, I want business, all right? So I knew what I was looking for, and there is no way I was going to let anybody take that thing away from me. I said, if it's either business or no school. Wow. So I left the campus, and then I was taken to yet another school, yet in the Ashanti region. And then they also said all the classrooms, even including business and art and everywhere, is occupied. And now you can be admitted as a footballer. Looking at you, you look like a footballer. So, wow. And this was interesting, okay? And they say you can be admitted as a footballer, then later work your way into the classroom. I said, sir, no. I want business, all right? So it's either business or no school for me. So it was getting, the journey was getting really tough. So I told the brother who brought me to the region to look for a school, help me look for a school. I told him, if the schools are not ready to offer me business as a program, then I want to go back and start my own business. I want to start on my own. So why don't I use my admission fee at that time to buy some barbering machines, go and start my barbering business? And he was like, well, if that is what you intend doing, no problem. But he kept trying, looking for a school. But before I could finally pack my things and, leave that city, leave the city, the brother gave me a phone call and then told me that I finally had a school for you. But the unfortunate thing is that this school is a so-called village school, okay? And I asked him, forget about the village thing. Do they offer business, and are they ready to give me business as a course, as a program? He said, yes. I jumped. I said, forget about the village. I'm going for business, and business is what I want to do, all right? So I got to the campus, and I started doing business. My headmasters came back to me and said, invited me and said, TJ, you are way brilliant. We want you to quit business for science because you are far better than even the science students on campus. I said, no, sir, I want business. And remember, the topic for this story is never lose your winning spirit, all right? I had this spirit of following my dream, reaching the topmost of my, goal or objective. I wanted business, and business is what I wanted to do. All right, so after completing that senior high school, with all the government scholarships and the achievement that I had in that school, I was invited back to the school during a program. And then when a lady professor was saying that if you complete senior high school and you are unable to further to the university, you are a semi-illiterate, all right? But then after her talk, I was given a chance to also add something. And I said, Madam, with all due respect, I beg to differ. I don't think finishing school, reading all this mathematics, economics, and all that, reading all these big books and understanding them, one should be called a semi-illiterate, all right? Because I am saying that 20 years from now, the whole world will hear about Yusif Tijani, even by applying the knowledge that I acquired here. And everybody hailed and it was massive. Today, glory be to God, I am almost everywhere. My book is read everywhere, and a lot of life is touched. People are touched by the stories and the topics that I share, the subjects that I share in the books I write, based on the belief and the faith I had since the beginning. All right. So if you have a goal, an objective, never lose that spirit of winning. And trust me, you are going to get there. If you've enjoyed this, I'd like you to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like, comment, and share for the benefit of others. Thank you very much for coming.